Hey guys, William Saunders here, the co-founder of Print My ATM. Now let's go ahead and get started with our monthly report for September 2015. All right, so for the current changes, guys, right now the financial aid is still pending, is along with the group share dashboard. Basically, the second in command basically is pretty much on vacation right now, and my schedule is pretty much tied up. But I do have to meet with everyone to get things moving along and select the design templates and everything in that nature. So that should be pretty much fixed very soon. Also, keep in mind, guys, that we do have a slight delay with the withdrawal with group shares. So basically, the system that's connecting the primary account, my account, which hosts towards the group share account, the feature that used compounding shares was not compounding. We have to manually set it every single day. So basically that means when I'm using 5 contracts, 10 contracts, and I'm compounding my own account, the other account was not compounding. So basically it was set at a standard 1 contract, okay? So everyone that had the group shares, we weren't investing their whole entire money. It was just basically just using 1 contract, which is right around $2,500. So when students start to request the group shares, we were paying out according to the projected balance based on the amount of pips that we tracked each and every month instead of what the actual balance was. So basically the past couple months or whatever, instead of us compounding contracts, it was just set at the standard 1 contract. So that just pretty much put us slightly behind, roughly around 2 to 6 weeks. Then we can get everything back onto the correct balance to match everyone balance that was actually recorded. Okay, so that's the only issue with it. Other than that, it's nothing major with the broker or anything like that, or even us having losing trades. We just got to make sure that now we go in the system and every single day we have to manually adjust the amount of contracts that we're actually compounding. Okay, so the expected delay time is roughly around an extra additional 1 to 5 business days, and you guys should actually start to see your funds come in through there. And this will probably take, once again, right around 2 to 6 weeks to correct entirely, so that we can have a nice standard balance all around back within a group shares account. Okay, all right, so let's welcome Tafiq M to the 6-figure club. I hope I pronounced that right, but once again, congratulations and welcome. So for the student spotlight, I'm definitely paying attention to John H. So you're currently on our novice level. Very excited to see you once you actually get on our advanced level tuition. I know you're going to kill it. Congratulations to you, Alan. Last month, I believe you had right around 1,400 pips or 1,500 pips. We'll put you right around our 13th spot, roughly around 500 students for the month of September. So you're definitely performing on our top level. Congratulations. Definitely a warm welcome to you, Eli. I know you just got started. You're pretty excited in regards to everything, so I'm very eager to see how far you can get with our material and take things to the next level. Welcome aboard, Dimitri, brother. I know we're definitely going to go ahead and kick it out, and I know you're aiming for that prodigy spot, okay? So just keep it up. I know you're going to hit it, dude. I would like to also congratulate Brittany M for hitting her lifetime tuition, paying on the monthly finance, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and move to the more interesting part of this report, which are the numbers. Alright, now just like always, guys, before we go ahead and get in this section of the report, just keep in mind that what you guys are witnessing here is just for educational purposes only, and basically just to display the potential power of trading binary options, forex, and also using proper education coming from our center. Okay, the results that you see here are not your typical results. Some of it's pretty extreme and outstanding, and we cannot guarantee that you guys will have these type of results. So it's really depend upon how well you follow the material, risk management, and your trading account balance. Okay, so with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So here are the trades that I pretty much got into. I wasn't able to sit in too much, guys. A lot of it was just really just pending contracts and everything like that. So for week 1, basically I did 46 pips. I was actually up. So right around 18% gain for week 1. Week 2, really good week. I think that was the best week that I've had. So 214 pips, so 94.40% gain on up. Week 3, 176 pips, so 70% gain. And keep in mind, if you guys ever see something like 1 pip here, basically that just means I use a break even stop. So that's just pretty much what the 1 pips actually mean. So week 4 was pretty much the same thing, so a lot of sets. So you know, during the first session my stops were hit and I weren't able to trade the next session, so that's why I was stopped out pretty much like that. So even with that being said, I was still pretty much up 25 pips for that week, a gain of 10%. So for the month of September, when you add all the pips together, guys, I have a pip gainage of 461 pips, and that's actually 193.20% gain for that account. Okay, it was extremely good. The goal is really to get it right around the 800 pip range and then move it around to the 1000 pips, 2000 pips. So I may just open up another asset. This is basically me just trading one asset 2 hours a day and kind of going from there. So some occasions I can get in for another session where I could spend 2 hours, but most of the time I can't. So I may just look into adding a total of 2 or 3 assets to look at during that 2-hour time frame that I actually trading, and that would also bump the pips up dramatically. Okay, all right, so let's take a look at our intermediate students. Alright, so for intermediate students, once again guys, we take 2 out of 3 portfolios that we actually documented. And on average, guys, keep in mind that your portfolios are going to take 3 to 5 business days. Especially, we've been getting hit really, so everyone's sending it in. That's very good because that helps out greatly in improving your trading balance. Okay, so for portfolio 34 here, we got 240 wins, 115 losses, grand profit of a little over 313,000. If you guys see NA here, it just basically means that this is a bank holiday and we're not going to record it. Sometimes it's extremely well and sometimes it's extremely bad. So, you know, we can't really just determine that that's actually true trading success. So we won't include that. So for portfolio 35, 180 wins, 72 losses, a little over 188,000 of profit. Once again, for the month of September as a whole, our intermediate students that are submitting their portfolios, 420 wins, 187 losses, net profit of a little over $501,000. Okay, so keep up the great work, guys. You guys are doing very awesome, very amazing. And our top technique on this tuition level is the 80-20 analysis. I know a lot of you guys are actually wondering which technique we do utilize the most there. Also, the 4 pillars of time is actually great up on this level. Keep in mind that this is also the starting level that our guys do decide to trade full time and actually replace their current jobs and current incomes is our intermediate level. Okay, so let's take a look at our advanced students. Alright, so our advanced students, we go ahead and take 3 out of 4 portfolios from you guys. Okay, once again, it's everyone that's as a whole, and we're focusing on long-term trades, no short-term trades. Alright, so portfolio 52, we got 235 wins, 60 losses, $314,500 of pure profit. A portfolio 53, 367 wins, 63 losses, $504,000 of profit. We have portfolio 54 here, 233 wins, 44 losses, a little over $297,000 of profit. So when we go ahead and add 52, portfolio 53, 54, we're going to get our grand total here for the month of September, guys. So basically that's 835 wins, 167 losses, a little over $1.1 million of pure collective profit. Okay, now keep in mind this profit is coming from binary options trading. This does not include our Forex trading trades that you guys are doing on your own analysis or the Forex pip that we're actually giving out to our advanced students. Okay, so we're not documenting that just yet. We don't have enough students that's sitting in their Forex trades just as yet for us to really make a solid number, kind of like our binary options in here. Alright, so the primary technique that we're using on this level is pretty much the alpha system, guys, so that works out very great. And once again, even though a lot of our students do have great performance, it still varies just upon how well you guys are just following the process. Okay, so now let's go ahead and add our total wins, losses, and profit, and let's do the same thing for our intermediate: total wins, losses, and profit. Then you will get our grand monthly total for September. Okay, so for the month of September, guys, we've taken 1,255 wins, 600 losses, a net profit of a little over $1.6 million. Okay, that is documented coming in through your portfolios. All right, so congratulations to you guys. Keep on improving, keep on following the process. Everything is pretty much duplicatable. We do have a proven system. You guys just need to make sure you follow it. Submitting your portfolios for analysis. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at the trades that we've done with our trade signals for Forex. All right, so for the month of September, right now we got documented 529 trades. So we still had a few trades that was actually open, and we didn't document the last week of the month, so this is just pretty much everything that was issued out to you guys. So still not too bad. 529 pips that was actually given to you pretty much on a silver platter, and you guys can actually use your own analysis and get results as well. All right, so there's just a few questions that I would like to cover on here. So the first thing is, how long group shares will be active? Okay, now keep in mind, once again, we are limited to how many students can actually invest compared to how much capital we have in the account. The only difference is that once we get a certain amount of capital, we just got to pretty much upgrade the accounts. And once we do upgrade the accounts and we're trading on a high intensive professional level, then basically we're going to have to get a standard hedge fund license. Okay, so basically the whole aim of group shares is to keep it open for as long as possible. I'm definitely shooting for 3 to 15 years to pay out enough 6-figure traders and 7-figure traders through group shares. Okay, all right, so the second question is, do you have to learn everything in order to make money? And the answer to that is no. We have a pretty much simple process. You guys can follow your welcome schedule, and it's pretty much just the main criteria. Once you guys are able to understand the technique that we're using, you jump into the demo account, you use the portfolio analysis to increase your performance, and you guys can go ahead and start trading live once you're ready. The other portion of it is we do have things such as the FX signals for our advanced students, and all around, if you guys just want to leverage the group shares in the first place, then by all means go ahead and do so. And the third question is, what makes our education stand out and so unique? So to answer that, basically it's just not your traditional textbook style of trading. Okay, so we just have a more unique way of actually analyzing the market and a unique way of trading, basically using the market algorithm, which is pretty much laws of trading, also known as our market hacks, that some of our students like to actually call. Okay, so keep in mind, guys, that I am not a professional trader, and I do not proclaim myself as being the best trader out there. Okay, you guys have to understand that I consider myself as a legendary trader amongst legendary traders, and trust me, there's roughly right around worldwide less than 100 known legendary traders. Okay, and I pretty much follow like the top 20 just as a personal goal, so that I can actually just challenge myself to do some awesome records and break and kind of keep up with them. Okay, so if you guys ever come in and you're on our higher tuition levels such as advanced or expert, and you notice that there is something out there to actually surpass our material, please by all means let me know. I would be up to the challenge to speak with that instructor or coach, review that material as well, to ensure that our community have the latest technology. Alright, so if you guys are interested in just kind of seeing what we have to offer, check out our free video course series that's located on the home page, or get in touch with one of our students and they'll kind of just walk you through the process, set you guys up with the best options. So keep in mind, we always have some discount open one way or another, guys, floating around online, anywhere from 30% off to 40%, and as high as even 60% off. So you just got to kind of get the code and everything from there. So we're always willing to work with you guys in regards to getting you some serious education. Keep up with us on our social media platforms, guys. Facebook.com/printmyatm, YouTube.com/printmyatm. And if all else fails, you guys can always send in a support ticket or email us at support@printmyuniversity.com. Alright, so I wish you guys much success and of course, happy trading. Hey traders, William here, and I got 3 important questions for you. Number 1, do you have a profitable trading coach or mentor? Number 2, are you getting 50 to 500 pips per day? And number 3, are you satisfied with your trading results? If you can answer 2 out of 3 of the questions with a yes, then congratulations, my friend. But if not, then we're about to change the game for you. And it doesn't matter if you guys are trading binary options, forex, or futures, because we can do it all and we have it all. Top of the line trading signals, monthly group shares, and complete market domination. Check out our free video course series and our daily trade analysis to see for yourselves.